Starting with the first app to earn money online is this one right here on your screen. That's going to help you to get paid over $1.20 every minute. And if you combine this app and the 3 other new earning apps I am going to show you today, you can easily earn over $600. And the 4th app will pay you the most amount of money. So stay tuned until the end. Also, don't forget to like this video. And now let's start with our first app called toluna.com. Toluna is a platform where you can get paid for taking some simple surveys and sharing your opinion by participating in exciting market research projects for you. Toluna is available in 70+ countries around the world, so you can be from any part of the world and you can still earn money with it. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. To start earning money with Toluna, if you use a smartphone, you can download the app to your Android or iOS device. If you use a laptop or PC device, you can just open the Toluna website on your computer browser. Next, just click on the register button from there, and that's going to take you to this page, where first of all, you need to select your country from this list of different countries. So if you find your country name in this list, which you probably will, you can register on Toluna and start earning money for every survey you complete. Then just enter some other simple information about yourself and just log into your Toluna account, which will look something like this. As you can see, we got credited with 500 points as a sign-up bonus for completely free. Now the first thing you need to do is to complete your profile by pressing this button. After that, you can start earning money by answering surveys and completing different tasks. So once you complete your profile, you can just click on the sections of the survey from the left, and you will be shown different surveys that are available for you in your country. You can earn anywhere from 25 cents up to $1.20 for every 1 minute to 20 minute survey you complete, depending on your country. Sometimes you can get paid a little less or a little higher if you get lucky. Also, the more developed your country is, the more money you will earn. Not only that, sometimes you can also find sponsored polls on Toluna, where you just need to participate in these polls by selecting any one of the options from each question, and you will earn some extra cash for that. You may find different play-to-earn games here that you can install on your device and play them to get some extra cash, which is another great way to earn money online. And the good thing is that you can withdraw your earnings to PayPal, directly to your bank account, or in different gift cards that are available in your country. Toluna has over 4.1 star ratings on Trustpilot from over 76,000 real users around the world, so you can trust this website. Now, before we move further, I would like to introduce the sponsors of this video, Pawns app. The URL will be the pawns.app. I will also leave a link to the Pawns app in the description of this video and the pinned comment. Pawns app is a platform where you can get paid for taking some simple surveys. Good thing is that you can get paid in many different payment methods like PayPal, Bitcoin cryptocurrency, or in many different gift cards like Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards, and 70+ other different gift cards available here. Pawns app is available worldwide, so you can be from any country around the world, and you can earn money on Pawns app just like these people, who are withdrawing their earnings daily from the Pawns app. As you can see, they are from different countries, and they are withdrawing their earnings daily from here. Pawns app got over 4.5 star ratings on Trustpilot from over 2,000 real users around the world, so you can trust this app. Last year, I tested the Pawns app myself, and I withdrew over $57 from it, so it is one of the legit and best make money online apps right now. So just click the first link in the description or in the pinned comment and register yourself using Google Mail or Apple ID. Once you log in, this is how the dashboard of the Pawns app will look like. The good thing is you only need $5 to take your first withdrawal from here, which is really easy to achieve in a day if you follow each step shown in this video. So there are mainly 2 ways to earn money on the Pawns app: completing paid surveys, and starting with the paid surveys, which you can find right here. Here you will be shown different paid surveys that you can complete in just 10 to 20 minutes, and you can earn anywhere from a few cents up to $3 or even $5 per survey you complete. So on the Pawns app, you get paid for sharing your opinions on different topics, such as fashion, technology, the car industry, and so on. Now your earnings will also depend on your country. The more developed your country is, the more money you will earn. Not only that, they have a lot of gamifications like spinning wheel, quest, etc. So now you can challenge yourself and earn much more money. And if you want to earn more money faster with the Pawns app, you can do surveys on a computer, and you can earn over $160 a month easily. Pawns app is 100% safe and secure, all traffic is encrypted, and the app doesn't access any of your personal data. Currently, Pawns app is running a special deal. If you use my link in the description of this video to register on Pawns app, you will instantly get $1 sign-up bonus. The deal won't last long, so register yourself on Pawns app today and start to make money online from today itself. Now, the second app on our list is called superpayme. Superpayme is a get-paid-to website where you get paid for sharing your opinion. They mentioned it in the best way: everyone has an opinion, but only smart people get paid for it. So basically, superpayme is mainly a survey website, but you can also get paid for completing some simple offers or trials, playing games, watching videos, and much more. Superpayme is available in almost all countries around the world, so you can be from any country and you can still earn money here. They offer a lot of surveys. Of course, how many will depend on the country you live in, but here you can get paid anywhere from $1 up to $1.50 per survey you complete. Sometimes you may get paid a little less or a little more depending on your country. For example, in top-tier countries like the United States, Canada, New Zealand, and Australia, you might even get paid over $10 per survey, and members of superpayme can earn up to $50 per day by just completing surveys online. And the good thing is that here on superpayme, you can get paid in many different payment methods like PayPal, Venmo, Skrill, or in different gift cards like Amazon gift cards, etc. You can also get paid directly into your bank account in some of the countries. And the best part is, you just need $1 to take your first withdrawal from superpayme if you want to withdraw it in PayPal. For other methods, the withdrawal limit is just close to $1 also. superpayme pays you instantly within 8 hours of the payment request, which is really great. Now, the third app on our list is the ysense.com. ysense is also a get paid to website app where you can get paid for completing different tasks, such as taking surveys, downloading apps, signing up for different websites, watching videos, and much more. ysense is available for almost all countries around the world, so you can also make money from ysense in any country you live in. As you can see, ysense has partnered up with many different big platforms like Send Media, Your Surveys, and much more, so that they can offer you a wide variety of surveys, offers, apps, videos, and other earning opportunities. ysense has many different payment methods like PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, and different gift cards like Amazon gift card and Google Play gift cards, etc. But for our future videos, comment down below the different payment methods available in your country so that I can create more relevant videos for you. ysense is available on both the Android devices and the iOS devices, so you can always install the app to your smartphone and earn money with it. And the good thing is that the ysense mobile app will show you a play-to-earn games option also, which you can't find on the ysense website. So just install the app and play different games to earn even more money online. But if you only use a PC or laptop device, you can just use ysense on your device browser. Now, to take a payout in PayPal, you just need to earn $10, which is really easy to do. And for other withdrawal methods also, you just need anywhere from $5 to $10 to take your withdrawal through them. Now, the fourth app on our list is the swagbucks.com, which is one of the biggest get paid to sites. Swagbucks has already paid over $500 million to its users around the globe, and they have over 4.1 star ratings on Trustpilot from over 36,000 real users around the world, so you can trust this website. Swagbucks is available in almost all countries around the world. Here you can get paid to complete some simple surveys, searching online, completing different offers, playing games, and even for watching videos, which is just awesome. They also have different payment methods like Payoneer, PayPal, and they offer a wide variety of gift cards like Amazon, Best Buys, Sephora, Walmart, Disney, and many more. They are also available on both Android and iOS devices. You can just install it on your device and start earning money from today itself. That's it for today. Thanks